to my channel, Style by Thas. Why I'm dressed up today? It's a Diwali special. Stay tuned. I'm just gonna show you how to dress Indo-Western saree style today. By this time you're watching this video, throughout the world, probably millions of diyas lighting up your life. Let's see how I styled this saree with the jeans. As you can see, and a crop top. It's actually a regular top, but I just folded it over here so it looks like a crop top with one hand shoulder, which is right now in trend. As you know, without exotic Indian ornaments, nothing looks flashy. So I love flashy stuff. Let's see. This video is especially for those Indian who lives abroad, and as you know, fitted blouse and petticoat to find with the saree, it's so difficult. Sometimes you have to look online and order it. So now you don't have to worry about anything, because that's why I'm bringing the Indian fusion with Western dress. As you know, I'm from India, but South India, Chennai. Vanakkam to all Chennai people. So why do we celebrate Diwali? What's the story behind the Diwali and the history of Diwali? I'm gonna show you short clips and videos so you guys know why we celebrate. So people celebrate as the day of Lord Krishna who defeats the Nagashura. He actually puts the row, like lights up, and he burns. He's just not the person, but also killing the demon inside you. The sarees here, I'm just gonna make a pleat and show you how to mix with this jeans and a crop top a little bit. So you take the first end of the saree and make sure it's in the right direction, going towards downwards, and you pleat it, pleat. So I like it this much. So you guys can hold it together with the bobby pin, hold your tummy in, tuck it in. That's it. You see? And you can leave it a little bit loose and take the end of the pallu. So this is the end of the pallu. Go again. Go around and put it over here, just like that. So to have the flavors, the pin to your blouse or a crop top, whichever you like, and you can tuck it inside the belt. Have this on your head while you're doing your diya and puja. guys!
Hey guys!
Megan is here.
I am
again.
here.
I'm gonna show you how to wear the sari with the jeans to look Indo-Western. So that's the concept today. So let's start.
Yes, let's start!
She does not know to wear sari. So
No,
today she's
I'm
gonna.
European. I'm Portuguese. I have no idea what this is gonna be.
Yes, and it's cold outside.
It's a bit cold, yes. We're living in Canada currently.
So first, I have to pleat. So you go like this.
Plate.
Pleat. Pleat. Pleat.
Insert.
Yeah. You just tuck it in and you have to take that on the other side.
I feel like I'm getting married and
Probably you will.
I'm currently about to get married in like an hour, and here
Yes.
is my stylist trying to get me to get married. I'm really cold. Let's do this.
Do you need an Indian guy or is it okay?
Yeah, I met like this Indian dude.
Yeah.
And he's really cute.
Can you jump?
Jump. Oh.
Okay, so you can leave this little longer. Sorry, I'm touching. Little longer.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow!
Sorry, it's really cold.
I'm gonna get pneumonia.
And I'm gonna pleat at the back side. We have to do this inside, yeah. And I tuck it
She's
in.
tucking it from
over
the
there
back.
as well, and leaving it in here. And the rest of the thing we will show you inside. So this is the second style we were doing outside. It was so cold, so I have to do it inside.
It's really cold.
And she was getting really cold. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
You just have to take the edge of your sari first and pleat a little bit, not too much, like 3 or 4, and just tuck it in. Okay, you just leave some of the part of the sari,
Middle of the sari.
pleat it again a little bit, and this side you tuck it in.
Tuck it in.
So you just hold it and make sure it's all on top, and just put it on her shoulder gracefully and leave it like that. So that's a belt I just added on in the middle. So you see the back part of the sari is this big. So you just hold it this way, hold it together and pleat it. You have to leave little loose over here, another little loose over here. So there should be a curve here and here, both sides, and tuck it in the middle. It has to look like that, with the space over here, and then the front is just like that. To pin this up so that it doesn't fall off.
Please don't pinch my skin.
Of course not. Namaste and vanakkam.
Banago.
Yes! There you go, babe! Style, I showed you this one, another style, if you can see how beautiful she looks. And hope you guys take these tips and make use of it for Diwali. Come, come.
How do you do?
I'm gonna do a henna on her. It's her favorite thing. She was asking for so long, and this is the day.
And I'm also recording a little bit on my phone as well because I'm so excited.
It's going live. Ready, guys? nice when it's simple.
I like it.
Nah, this is cute. Happy Diwali! We're gonna do a diya. That is so beautiful! Like this, like this. This is how we do. So
This is how we do it.
Happy Diwali in Canada.
Calling Canada.
Toronto. Rocks.
What's up?
Chennai. Hey. All Indians. Woo. If you guys are still watching my video, happy Diwali. We made it till the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys like my video. Share, subscribe. Just be safe when you do fireworks. Okay? Yay! Love you all. Stay safe. Stop.
Okay, again.
I supposed to say.
Flashback.
But born abroad. If you guys don't know, I'm from India. As you know, I'm from India, but they are in my heart because I got linked with a soft corner. Ah, soft corner! Ah!